So I've been doing some launching experiments again, this time using the Photogate, using these weights again. So the 1 mass versus 2 mass. I've put some tape on it such that it will block the laser consistently. And the launching system is just a simple clicking pen, the same as Steven has done. And yesterday I've done it with these pins. These are just simple plastic pins, but they are actually way too light. And yesterday, coincidentally, it was a 1.4 ratio, but that was a coincidence because today I've launched it with a different velocity, and it came out all over the place. It was not consistent, very inconsistent results. So now I've used these heavier weights, and so I've timed it each time, and then I wrote it down. So this is the 1 mass. So for this one, we have the timings. We have 10 timings, and then here is the average timing. And then I did the same with the 2 mass, and try to make sure that it went half the velocity. So this is exactly half the velocity. And then these are the timings. And when I average them, they turn out to be exactly the same goal. This was the goal, and it's exactly the same. So you can be sure that this one went exactly half the velocity. And so here is the aluminum foil. This is the place for the 1 mass. And this is the place for the 2 mass. Out here and here. And yeah, we gotta check out the distance. Let me pick my measuring device. Alright, so we have about 1920-ish versus 35 and a half. So when you divide 35 by 19, you get 1.8. So it's not exactly twice the distance. It's definitely not 1.4. It's in between. It's 1.8. So it's closer to the times 2, to the 2 times. So yeah, so there's no denial about, you can't deny the velocities now. So that's absolutely certain. Next time, yeah, I think the best thing to use is round balls. Yes, same size, but it's difficult to find, 2 balls of the same size and made out of the same materials, and then to have one being twice the mass as the other. That's pretty much impossible, actually. So there will always be a difference in size when it's the same material. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to find more different materials, objects to use to launch. But for now, yeah, it seems to be that there is more proof on Gary's side. So yeah, that's it.